And this just came in. What I refer to as a bike in a box. In this case, a bike in three boxes. I normally wouldn't bring a bike like this into my shop. You know, I don't like people to bring me bikes they took apart and bring in boxes of parts and say, "Oh, it was all there when I took it apart." Anyway, I don't do that. This is not something I would normally let into my shop. But it's a good buddy. And I mean, he's a good buddy. And he and another guy took it apart because the push rods were leaking, and they had the head done by a good machinist, actually my machinist. But then ran out of enthusiasm, shall we say. So I'm going to put it back together, hopefully. So that's probably the next project, the bike in a box, bike in three boxes. We'll see how it goes. I want this bike completely finished and home with its owner. And this bike is completely finished, just waiting for its owner to make it back into Phoenix so it can go home. So this is the next project.